And now what black is going to do is try and take advantage of this diagonal, this dark diagonal that was weakened by these early pawn moves by white, and also take advantage of this lack of development that white neglected early on as well. So the game continues like this, and black is just trying to open up ways to get his pieces actively traveling along that dark roadway. And we can see that there's a fight, struggle ensuing, and you can notice right away that there's a weakness that's going to be a target for black's pieces, but black has to safely manage to get those pieces over there. And this is what's happening. Finally, we get a clear avenue of attack. We get clear pathways to use that diagonal. And white is struggling and fighting, and that's the main difference between the rating levels. Weaker opponents put up weaker resistance, stronger opponents put up stronger resistance. So you have to have better technique. And now you can see that the knight is going to come in, and everything is going to happen along that diagonal that we talked about early on in the game. And here we go. So not this right away. We run an intermezzo or an in-between move, intermezzo move. We play check first because now when we take the rook, the queen has to abandon protection of the bishop and capture our bishop. And so we end up with a material advantage. We grab a nice pawn snack to go. And now, of course, what is black going to do? Try to force the exchange of the pieces, giving white hard questions to answer. And so white is trying to hold on to the knight, but by trying to hold on to the knight, he leaves his king unprotected. And now we're going to see the queen and a rook work together to create a monster attack.